Hi, I'm Jimmy Dillon, and continuing on our George Harrison journey. I'm just such a big fan of his. And by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please hit subscribe below and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. So this song, we all recognize that intro. Great song. Here Comes the Sun from Abbey Road. I'm doing it. I've heard this done in lots of different ways. From Richie Havens did it, I think, at Woodstock in a whole different way. But I'm doing it my own way. But you can basically, hopefully, get something out of it. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So I'm capoed up, so I'm actually in the key of G, but we're going to just call the chords as we see them, which is a D here. That's a G. So this is a cool little picking thing. You're taking that D position and you're lifting the second finger up. It's a little pattern. And then to a G. A. To G. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Okay, so I know there's a lot there. I'm just going to start out with just showing you the chords, and then I'll get into the little picking thing. So the chords are little darling. It's to G, been a long, cold, lonely A, winter, D, little darling, it seems like G, since it's been here, and then D, here comes the sun, do-do-do-do, G, here comes the E, E7th, and I say, it's alright. So here's the second part, which is the okay, that is a little lick is you got the open A. So open 4 2 2 on the D string. Then you just hit an F chord, C, G, back to the D, and then to the A. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Back to the A. And there I'm just taking the A chord and adding a sus, which is the 3rd fret on the B string from where we are, 1, 2, 3. And then pinky, 5th fret, sorry, on the B string. And then pick up that high note there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's what it sounds like. Okay, I know that's pretty advanced. So let's see how the whole thing sounds together. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it's seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, G. Here comes the east, and I say it's alright. Now let me show you that little lick. It's actually pretty cool. You got your D chord, right? So you're going to have to finger it more or less like this. That version of a D with your first finger barring those three notes, and then you hammer on with your third finger on the 4th fret. Get that? So that one, you got to open up the E string. So you got your D chord, but you're leaving your E string to ring out, and you're coming up with your 3rd finger on the 4th fret. So I'm going to do that in slow motion for you. Down, down. And then you hit the... So that's the move. So just working off of that 2nd fret of your first finger on the G string. Then you open up the G string. So it goes like this. Pretty cool lick, huh? So okay, so hopefully you can see that. So I'll do it really slow. So here's what it sounds like in context. Then it comes down on that A chord. And that's when you do this lick. Strokes, just the F chord, just spell out the F, C, G to D. So you're spelling out the F chord, C chord, G chord to the D. So here's what the bridge sounds like in context. Okay, now I'm going to put them all together for you, and I know that's a lot, but hopefully you can decipher. I slowed it down a little, so. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Let's go to the bridge. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. To the faces, little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say transit, which is just the F, C, G, D. Spell it out. So there's a lot of information there, and I know there's that little lick that it's not the easiest lick in the world, but once you get it, it's really cool, and it leads to other things. So that's Here Comes the Sun from Abbey Road, George Harrison, my favorite Beatle, and I hope you enjoyed that. If so, please leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Subscribe, and we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.